Good morning, Vanada. My name is Sujata. I am teaching science subject. Okay. Today I am teaching about our body. Okay. Our human body is made up of different types of cells. Okay. Different types of cells. Not only one cell make our body. Trillions of cells make our body. So this cell is the fundamental and functional and basic unit of an organism. Okay na? So some organisms are made up of only single cell. Single cell. Some organisms are made up of many cells. Okay? Means multi. Single cellular organisms are called unicellular organisms. Multicellular means the organisms made up of different cells, means many cells, is called multicellular organisms. Examples of single cells organisms: Paramecium, Euglena and Amoeba. These are the examples of unicellular organisms. Multicellular organisms. All human beings and animals are the example of multicellular organism. Do you understand? An organism made up of cells. Okay. These similar cells are formed tissues. Okay. Similar cells are formed together make a tissue. Similar tissues are formed organs. Okay. These organ systems, all organ systems interact to work together and form organ systems. Okay, before that, we can see some organisms, some organs outside of our body. Means we are looking. Means it is visible to us. Okay, which organ is visible to us? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Okay, in these, which is the largest sense organ? Skin is the largest sense organ. It covers and protects the whole of our body. Okay, in these 5 sense organs are visible to us. What are the 5 we know? Eyes, nose. They have different function. Okay, they have different function. Eyes help us to see, ear help us to hear. Okay, nose help us to smell, tongue help us to taste, skin help us to touch. Okay, feelings. Okay, 5 sense organs. Some organs we cannot see with our eye because they are situated inside our body. That's why that organs are called internal organs. What we are looking outside, that is called external organs. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. Now the organ systems. How many organ systems in our body? 12 organ systems in our body. These 12 organ systems plays important role in our body. Our human body work like a machine. This total machine controlled by the sensitive and delicate internal part, that is brain. Okay, na? That is brain. The 12 organ systems are by teacher writing only single word. For remembering these 12 organ systems easily, we have a very short form. Okay? M indicates, M represents which system?
Muscular
system. R represents respiratory
system. Skeleton. Integumentary. Nervous system. Cellular.
Please quiet. Okay, there are 12 organ systems in our human body. First one is the respiratory system. Okay, first one is the muscular system. Second one is the respiratory system. Third one is the skeletal system. Fourth one is the
Integumentary system.
System. Then
Nervous
indicates nervous system. C indicates
Cardiovascular
cardiovascular system. L indicates lymphatic system and R immune system. Okay. U indicates urinary system. D indicates digestive system. E indicates endocrine system. R indicates reproductive system. These 12 organs or systems are work together. Okay. And today I am discuss about skeletal system. In this skeletal system consists of skull, vertebral column, next rib cage, and limbs. Our skeletal system consists of 4 parts: skull, vertebral column, rib cage, and limbs. Come to the skull. Skull is a very hard structure. Skull is very hard structure because skull is made up of bones. How many bones? Anyone know? 22. 22 bones. Very good. 22 bones. These bones are very hard and strong. We cannot bend bones. Why? Because our bones are made up of minerals. Bones are made up of minerals. Means phosphorus. Okay? Phosphorus and calcium. So, bones are very hard. That's why we cannot bend our bones. We can see our bones with the help of X-rays. Bones are very strong. The outer layer of the bones are very hard. Inner side of the bone is sponge-like structure because inner some tissues and blood vessels are inside the bone. And bone marrow produce the red blood cells in our body. Our skull is made up of 22 hard bones. In these 22 bones, 8 are cranial bones. 8 are cranial bones. Remaining how many are there out of this? 14. 14 are the facial bones. Facial bones. These 8 bones are enclosed together and protect the delicate internal organ, that is brain. These 14 bones are from our face. That's why they are called facial bones. Total how many bones? 22 bones. If in our skull that you know about joints, where 2 bones are made, that is called joint. But here, teacher here 8 bones are there, 14 bones. There is no joint. Where? Very good. Because that's why because of the joint, one joint, we can talk, we can speak, we can eat. Means our lower jaw is movable. Okay na? Except the lower jaw, remaining are enclosed together and protect the skull. And next come to the vertebral column. This vertebral column, another name is spinal cord and backbone. What? This vertebral column is made up of how many bones? 33 small bones. 33 small bones. What is the function of this vertebral column? To protect the delicate internal organ, that is spinal cord. What is that? Spinal cord. Our spinal cord also sending messages to the brain. Okay, sometimes it gives very fast action. That action is called reflex action. Without sending information to the brain, we are responding. Like you are touching hard pan means we are immediately take back our hand within second. That is called a reflex action. So vertebral column is made up of 33 small bones. What is the function of this vertebral column? Protects the delicate internal organ, that is spinal cord. Next one is the rib cage. Rib cage is made up of 12 pairs of ribs. 12 pairs of ribs means 12 pairs of bones. These 12 pairs of bones form a cage-like structure. Cage-like structure. Cage. This rib cage protects our delicate internal organs that are
heart, lungs,
lungs and
heart.
heart. Okay, and in these 12 ribs, 12 pairs of ribs, the 10 pairs of ribs are attached to the breastbone, but 12 pairs of ribs are not attached to the sternum. Means the another name of the sternum is breastbone. That's why the 10 ribs are attached to the backbones, but the remaining 2 ribs are not attached to the backbone. That's why the 2 ribs are called flapping ribs. The 2 ribs are called flapping ribs. Is it clear?
Yes.
Next, come to the limbs. Come to the limbs. We have 2 types of limbs, 2 pairs of limbs. Okay, see our upper arm is made up of how many bones? 3 bones. How many bones? 3 bones. 1 long bone, 2 short bones. What is the long bone name? Anyone know? Humerus. Humerus. Another 2 bones? Radius and ulna. In our upper arm consists of 3 bones. One is the long bone, that name is humerus. Another 2 ulna and radius and ulna. These are. Next, come to the legs. Okay, 4 limbs. Next, legs. Legs also made up of 3 bones. One long bone name is thigh bone. What is the another name of thigh bone? Femur. Okay, femur. And next one, another 2 bones, tibia and fibula. Tibia weighs the total body weight. Okay, tibia weighs which bone weight? The entire body weight. Tibia. Okay, in this, our total skeletal system is consists of how many bones? 206 bones. How many bones? 206 bones. This 206 bones, that all bones are short, all bones are long? No. Different types of bones are there in a human skeletal system. Now, what are that? Let us see. Short bones. Short bones. Long bones. Flat bones. Sesamoid bones. And irregular bones. Okay. How many types of bones are there in our skeletal system? 5 types of bones. What are they?
Long bones, flat bones, and sesamoid bones, irregular bones.
Okay. How many short bones in human skeleton? 90. How many long bones are there? Tell me. Flat bones?
36. Sesamoid bones, 48.
Now tell me.
Irregular bones,
How
4.
many bones are left? Please count. Look at the blackboard and count. Huh? No idea. Let's see. Long bones are 90. Short bones are 28. Total how many bones?
206.
206 bones. Human skeleton consists of how many bones? 206 bones. But a newborn baby consists of how many bones? 306. 306 bones. Why the newborn baby consists of more than adult? Anyone have any idea? Ravi, please tell me. Huh? Why newborn babies have more bones than adults? Say loudly. Okay. Babies have 306 bones. 306 bones. After adult stage, then the bones are interlocked together and form a long
Single bone, okay.
That reduced into how many bones?
206 bones.
An adult human body consists of 206
6 bones.
Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Teacher. Did you understand the lesson?
Yes, teacher.
Can I recall the lesson again?
Yeah, it's
Our body
clear.
is made up of
Cells,
all cellular cells are made up of
tissues,
tissues, from
organs, and organ system is of 12.
Organ
system.
How many organ systems in our body?
12 are there.
What are they?
Muscular,
Okay. How to
respiratory.
remember these 12 organ systems easily? By using which code? Mr. Included. Okay. And skeletal system. Skeletal system consists of how many organs? Skull, vertebral column,
Ribcage and limbs.
Okay. Skull is made up of how many
22 bones.
22 bones. Out of 22 bones,
8 are corneal
14 are
and 14 are facial.
How many short bones are there in human skeleton?
28,
How many long bones are there?
90,
How many flat bones are there?
36,
How many sesamoid bones?
48 sesamoid bones.
Sesamoid means very small.
Okay.
Is it present in the joints place? Okay. Joints. Skeletal system also consists joints also. Joints are two types: movable joints and immovable joints. The joints in the skulls are immovable and remaining shoulder joint. These are
Immovable.
Okay. Vertebral column. Next come to vertebral column. Made up of
33 bones.
33. What is the function of vertebral column? To protect
Spinal cord.
Next one.
Ribcage.
It is made up of how many bones?
12.
It is a which type structure?
Cage-like structure.
Ribcage products which are
Lungs and heart.
Heart. Next comes to
Limbs.
Upper arm consists of how many
Upper
bones?
limbs.
Three
Three
bones.
bones.
What are they?
Humerus,
Humerus,
ultra, and
radius.
radius.
Okay, next come to the legs. Okay, what is the longest bone in human body? Femur. What is the another name of femur? Thigh bone. Which bone weighs the total body weight? Tibia.
Tibia.
Okay. What is the another bone name? Tibia. Okay. This is about our skeletal system. Now I am showing skeleton and the part of the skeleton. Okay, what is this?
Skeleton.
Okay. What is this? What is the upper part?
Skull.
Skull. Next, what is this? Spinal.
Spinal cord.
Vertebral column. What is the another name of vertebral column?
Spinal cord.
What is the function of spinal cord? What is the function of vertebral column?
Protect the internal organs.
Spinal cord. Okay, what is this?
Ribcage.
See, these two bones are not attached to the sternum. That's why these two bones are called flattened ribs.
Okay.
Next, come to this. This is the hip bone. Okay, hip. What is the function of this hip girdle? It protects the urinary bladder. These are the hind limbs. See, these are our legs and hands. Our hands are made up of 3 bones and our legs also made up of 3 bones. Total how many bones in our skeletal system?
206.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay then.